10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The picture below shows kids doing something with the ball. The thing they are doing begins and ends with a K, but the letters should not be capitalized. Which of these is a lowercase k? The word lion begins with L. Which of these is the capital letter for L? This is a picture of a cat. Which of these is the uppercase letter for C? Yummy food is in the picture below. Which of these is the lowercase letter for Y? This turtle lives under the sea. The word under begins with U. Which of these is the uppercase for U? This is a picture of some ice. Which of these is the capital letter for I? This is a picture of an orange, which begins with the letter O. Can you spot the uppercase letter for O? Jelly is very wobbly and the word wobble begins with a W. Can you find the uppercase letter for W? The word sleeplessness has lots of E's in it, and when we are tired we count sheep. Which of these is the capital letter for E? This is a picture of someone giggling. This word has 4 G letters and none should be capitalized. Which of these is a lowercase g?